Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you step by step how to make a complete professional video without any camera, without a microphone, and even without editing skills. From brainstorming ideas to script writing, voiceover, visuals, and finally editing, everything will be powered by AI. Part 1. Generate an idea and script with ChatGPT or the Play.ht that I use GBT plus chat for free without paying any fees. The previous video tutorial is on the channel. The very first step is choosing a topic. For example, let's pick 5 health benefits of drinking coffee. I type this prompt. Write a 500-word YouTube video script about 5 health benefits of coffee. Make it engaging. And in seconds, AI gives me a full, ready-to-use script. What used to take hours of research and writing now takes less than a minute. Just copy and use for your video. Next, let's turn this script into a natural-sounding voice. I used ElevenLabs because it's free and very simple. Sign up and answer the question. And now, ready to use. I paste the text, choose a voice style, male or female, professional or casual, and hit Generate. After a few seconds, the voiceover file is ready to download. Now we need visuals. You have 2 options. 1. Create your own using AI tools. 2. Use free stock footage. For custom images, I go to Midjourney and type your prompt to generate picture. If you prefer stock, you can also grab free videos from sites like Pexels or Pixabay. I used Pexels because it's free and very useful. Search your topic and then download it. These videos are already ready and free and have no copyright, and you can use them in your videos. Just download it. Now let's put everything together. I open Filmora, or you can use CapCut. Start a new project and follow these steps. Add the downloaded clip and AI voice. Also, you can use stock video on the app. Drag and drop the AI-generated voiceover into the timeline. 2. Add the video clips and images in the right sequence. Edit it to your liking, add transitions, text, stickers. Add background music directly from CapCut's library. Five, adjust everything until it looks clean and dynamic. Finally, export in 1080p. Here is the final result. No camera, no mic, just AI. And now you know how to turn any idea into a full video from scratch. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I post new AI tips every week.